All right, check it out. So today we are going to see if we can check the timing on this truck. Now, I ordered a timing thing off of the internet, off of Amazon, ignition timing tester. So hopefully, I thought it was a little bigger than this one. I guess size doesn't matter, but we're gonna take off this air cleaner here real quick just so we can get to the distributor. And then obviously on these old vehiculars, we'll show you here real quick. Down here in the, I don't know if you can see it, but maybe I'll zoom in on it here. But anyways, that thing right there is basically what we're gonna use for our guide. Like that's where you time. Like you get the thing, you hook it up, and you watch it, and you see where the line lines up. So we're gonna go ahead and get started here, but we're gonna take off the air filter. I actually need to order me a new air filter because this one's just trash. I blew it out and stuff. It's just dirty. So technically it could use a new one. So it looks like I do have the electronic distributor on here and not the points. So basically we're just going to unhook the air vacuum advance line, and then we're going to hook up the timing line. And basically you just hook it up to your battery, and then you'll put one of the things around your number one spark plug. Either way, you just took it around your number one spark plug. So stay tuned. All right, folks, let's get this thing done. So I don't know, we'll see. I can't really see on the timing. It's not marked good enough. I think they painted over the thing. I can't see the mark, but I messed with it, and I believe I got I'm getting a better idle. And basically is what was happening is I feel like when I give it the gas, it just doesn't have the power that it should. If that makes sense. Like, it idles good, it sounds good enough, but I think it was just too low. So the timing just needed to be advanced a little bit. So let's go see. Let's go drive it. Let's go check it out. Sounds a little bit better. One of the things I noticed the other day is over time it's kind of been getting a little more rough as far as the backfiring goes. And the other day it was really bad as far as heading up to my buddy's house. It wasn't super bad, but just going 55, 60, you know, at an idle kind of cruise. Not an idle, but just kind of a cruise. I could tell it was backfiring. So yeah, I'm gonna tighten that back up. We're gonna throw the air cleaner back on and rehook the vacuum line. And then we're gonna go take it out for a spin and just see how she runs. But for now, it does idle a lot better. So before, when it was idling, it was like really low, and I felt like it was, I don't know, it's just sitting there idling. It just kind of like slowly die off. But one of the things the other day I noticed is it started to get hot, and I haven't ever had it get hot. And that's one of the signs that your timing could be off too. Is, you know, it was a cooler night. It was in the evening, and it started getting hot. Not way hot, but just, you know, the needle just kind of moved slightly. enough for me to notice that it's never been that high. And ironically, the other day I was checking the antifreeze, so I know it's got antifreeze. So yeah, we're gonna go test it out. But it's pretty simple. I mean, this thing worked pretty good. It's just I don't know, those connectors look pretty cheap, but I mean, it did the job, kind of, I guess. I'd like to hook it up to one of my other Chevys. I'll probably have to hook it up to the Blazer and see if I can, you know, we're gonna play around with it, because I mean, we got it now. But I'm gonna tighten that up and get it going, and we'll go for a little cruise and we'll see how she runs. All right, folks. First, hold on, wait a second. We gotta put the old. We're in the farm truck. Give me a second. There we go. Yeah, we gotta put the old cowboy hat on. All right. So first impression here after changing the timing is this thing has got a lot more oomph. Seriously, man, I should have done this a long time ago. Anyways, it is what it is. It definitely made it run better. So check your timing, and y'all have a good day. Oh, there goes another Ford. There goes a Ford. We're gonna go beat him. All right, smile every day.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.